This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called KOK8. This ransomware is the part of the Matrix ransomware family. This ransomware performs a lot of bad things on the targeted computer. It is quite certain that intrusion of this ransomware into the system means that the current security protection failed to actually defend the system against the ransomware attack. Before the ransomware attack, people can open their files without any problems. However, it might happen that this KOK8 ransomware may some way or another be injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened and that they cannot open their files anymore. This is what happens with the files after they get encrypted by this KOK8 ransomware. So, in addition to the main file extension, there is some other data added, such as some email address, some unique identifier, and finally this KOK8 file extension. It is no longer possible to open these files anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration, and it also tells people to use some email addresses for contacting these criminals, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be restored. So you should not pay the ransom and you should not contact these criminals standing behind this scam. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove this KOK8 ransomware. You will need a special browser that will help you to download anti-ransomware tool we recommend. We suggest you to go to the Internet Explorer browser location. This is the system drive, such as C drive, program files, Internet Explorer. Start Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after the program gets successfully installed, you will need to implement some tricks to run it. Go to the system drive, program files, select Combo Cleaner folder, then start Combo Cleaner directly through this particular location. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so you only have the quick scan option. Click on Start Scan and begin researching your system with its help. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database to make sure that this ransomware is effectively detected. So then, after the anti-ransomware, anti-malware databases are successfully updated, the program will begin researching the computer. So the scanning will take place. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner. There is a great tool called anti-ransomware where you may add a special folder or several folders that will be protected from being damaged or encrypted by other ransomware type threats. But once again, this feature is a part of the premium license only. So while the scanning is taking place, you might need to wait a little bit. Then at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats, including their locations. You'll be able to remove them manually or automatically by upgrading to the premium version of the software.